How to get rid of pending transactions on Cash App 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about Cash App and how you can get rid of pending transactions in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, first of all, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off with Cash App. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to this section where you can see your activity and see all of your transactions. Now, to get rid of them, if you have any consisting transactions over here, just hold them, select all of them, and start deleting them one by one if you want to. But yeah, generally that is how you're going to be deleting all of your recent transactions or pending transaction histories. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off with Cash App right away. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. How to delete Cash App account history 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding out on how you can delete Cash App account history in the easiest way. So what you're going to be doing is basically you're going to go over to your account. And obviously to get features like these for yourself, or to get Cash App for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, once you're over here and you want to go ahead and delete your whole general account history, first of all, what you can do is you can come over to your main settings section and make sure you add a security lock on everything and most of your privacy details are hidden. Now, what you can also do from there on out is go over to this section of your Cash App, and this is where you have your general account history. So this is where all the activity and transactions go on. So simply choose all of the activity that goes on over here, delete it, and that is pretty much how you can delete your account's history on Cash App. And again, if you want to use Cash App for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.